Hello everyone, this is Umair from Simple Tutorials, and in this video we will be discussing how to give someone access to my store. So without further ado, let's just dive right into the video. But before that, you can head over to the link in the description of this video, using which you can now get first month on Shopify for just $1, and as well donate to our channel as well. So now talking about giving the access to your Shopify store, it is actually pretty simple. What you need to do is, from your partner dashboard, you will need to head over to store. So basically this is from your member page. So let's just assume that you're trying to give someone access. You're going to be heading over to their dashboard. You are going to be clicking on stores and click on the name of the store that you want to manage. And in the team members card, click on view, and on the team members page, then you will be needing to click on manage. Use the checkboxes to grant or revoke staff members access to this store. So this is the part from where we can give them access, or we can take the access back if we no longer want to give them access. We can do that as well from here. And finally, we are going to be clicking on save access, and this will be granting them the permission and the access. And yeah, that is the simple process on how to do so. I hope you enjoyed and found this video interesting. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel and head over to the link in the description to get first month on Shopify for just $1. And as well, you can now donate to our channel as well, as it will be a huge support. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.